Hello everyone, welcome to LitQuest by Jeetu. So today we will discuss aestheticism, an important literary movement. This topic is explained with the reference to the Abrams, a glossary of literary terms. Aestheticism is mainly concerned with the value of beauty in art and literature. Now, what is the meaning of aestheticism? Aestheticism is the belief that art should be appreciated mainly for its beauty and artistic qualities. It argues that the purpose of art is not always to teach a moral lesson or solve social problem. The famous phrase connected with this movement is art for art's sake, meaning art has its own independent values. Now, what is the historical background of the aestheticism? Aestheticism developed in the late 19th century, especially in England. During the Victorian period, many people believed literature should have a moral purpose. Aesthetic writers reacted against this idea and supported freedom of the artistic expressionism expressions. Now, what is the main idea of the aestheticism? So, the central idea of aestheticism is that beauty is the highest achievements of art. Aesthetic writer focused on the beautiful language, imagination, form, and style. They believed literature should be judged as an art form, not only by its message. Now we will talk about the aestheticism versus moralism. Moralism says literature should guide people, teach values, and improve society. But aestheticism gives importance to beauty and the artistic pleasure. According to aesthetic thinkers, a work of art does not need a moral purpose to be valuable. Now let's see the major thinkers of the aestheticism. So there are two important names related to the aestheticism are Walter Pater and Oscar Wilde. Walter Pater believed that people should experience beauty deeply. Oscar Wilde became the most famous supporter of this movement and expressed the idea of artistic freedom. And the most famous phrase related to Oscar Wilde is art for art's sake. Please remember this. Features of the aesthetic literature. Aesthetic literature often uses rich and decorative language. It gives importance to imagery, music of words, and sensory experience. These works focus on creating a beautiful artistic experience for the reader. Important writers. As we know, Oscar Wilde, whose famous novel The Picture of Dorian Gray. Walter Pater, who wrote the Renaissance, and the poet A.C. Swinburne for poetry. Criticism of aestheticism. Some critics argued that aestheticism was too focused on beauty and ignored social reality. They considered it an escape from real life problems. However, supporters believe art itself has value, so they focused more on beauty than practical values. Exam points for NET or SET. The RPSC SET is going to happen. Um, so I need to so for exam like NET and SET, remember please these key points. Aestheticism means art for art's sake. It belonged mainly to the late Victorian age, and the major figure associated with it is Oscar Wilde. Well, to conclude, aestheticism changed literary thinking by emphasizing beauty, creativity, and artistic freedom, and it taught us that literature can be valued not only for its message but also for its artistic excellence. So, for today's lecture, it's about all about the this was all about the aestheticism. And thank you. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं इस सीरीज़ को कंटिन्यू करूं टिल सेट एग्ज़ाम आरपीसी सेट एग्ज़ाम देन प्लीज़ कमेंट ऑन माय वीडियोस इफ यू लाइक then like it, subscribe it and share it also. Thank you friends.